Hi, I'm Master Plumber Ed Del Grande, here to introduce the Kingston two-piece commercial toilet. It's KOHLER's everyday low-price toilet for commercial or hospitality projects, big or small. Kingston has the flushing performance you've come to trust from KOHLER thanks to its powerful canister flushing valve. What makes this valve so great is the canister rises vertically, and that allows water to enter the opening from 360 degrees, and that gives you a powerful flush. Also, the small silicone seal is very easy to service. Now, let's talk performance. The canister flushing valve is going to remove the bulk waste. Inside the bowl, the full rinse is going to remove the light waste. Inside the trap, it's fully glazed with no tight fin to wash everything right down the drain and prevent clogs. The Kingston toilet comes in 3 configurations, including ADA-approved comfort height for all your commercial needs. Let's talk installation. The beauty of this toilet is it comes with a 3-bolt quick connect system, which makes it fast and easy to install. Now, these are not ordinary bolts. These are KOHLER's new encapsulated bolts, and they allow you to attach the 2 pieces without using any tools inside the tank. For commercial applications, the trip lever is metal for lasting durability, and the sanitary guard helps prevent liquids from running between the tank and the bowl, which makes this toilet so easy to clean. Not only does the Kingston commercial toilet have great features, it's also extremely efficient. It only uses 1.28 gallons per flush, meeting the EPA WaterSense standards. With Kingston's quick installation, easy cleaning, durability, and availability, in my book, it's the ideal toilet for all your commercial projects and build-outs. Contact KOHLER or your local distributor to get Kingston commercial 2-piece toilets at a commercial-friendly price.